In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Mail on Windows. You have two simple options, and which one you choose depends on how you prefer to check your email. If you want a full-featured experience for everyday use, Outlook on Windows is a great pick. If you just want quick access without any setup, the web browser route is the easiest. Let's start with Outlook, which is best for daily use because it integrates right into your desktop. Open the Outlook app on your Windows PC. At the top left, click File, then choose Add Account. When prompted, type in your iCloud email address exactly as it's registered with Apple, and then click Connect. Outlook will handle the rest behind the scenes, detecting the correct settings for iCloud Mail and completing the setup for you. Just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. Once it's connected, Outlook begins syncing your inbox and folders automatically. You'll see your messages populate, you can compose and reply as usual, and your mail will stay in sync across your devices. This method is ideal if you keep Outlook open throughout the day, want desktop notifications, and prefer powerful features like search, sorting, and offline access built right into Windows. Now, if you'd rather not configure anything and just want instant access from any Windows PC, use a web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to iCloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to access your iCloud account, then open the Mail app on the page. That's it. There's no setup to maintain, and it works the same way whether you're on your own computer, a work device, or a shared machine. Your mailbox is always up to date because you're using Apple's website directly, so you'll see the latest messages, folders, and changes as soon as you sign in. This option is perfect for quick checks or when you're away from your primary PC. Just remember to sign out when you're done, especially on shared computers, to keep your account secure. To recap the decision, choose Outlook if you want a seamless, desktop-friendly experience for everyday emailing on Windows. Choose the browser at iCloud.com/mail if you want the fastest, zero-setup way to get to your inbox from any PC. Both options keep your mail synced, so pick the one that fits how you work, and you'll be up and running in minutes.